Hello everyone, so what you can see over here is my first attempt to build a low-cost, high-performance computer that can be used for GPU computing, for machine learning application, and eventually for cryptocurrency mining. The idea is to create a computer that can pay itself off by mining cryptocurrencies. I have to mention that this is just the first prototype, and of course, almost all components are mounted how they should not be mounted in practice. For example, don't mount your motherboard on the cardboard like this. What I'm planning to do, I'm planning to develop a mount for the motherboard. I'm planning to use the Maker Beam aluminum extrusions, and do not try to mount your GPUs like this or this one like this without providing a side support, or by securing it in some other manner. For example, you can attach it to the rack over here. And finally, what is very important to know when dealing with these components, especially with the motherboard, you should always wear a wrist. This is a special wrist that can be purchased in a micro center that provides you the grounding. So often your hands and your clothes have electric potential, and if you touch the metal parts, especially if you touch the metal board, you will have the current going from your fingers through the motherboard, and this current, this short current, can potentially damage your motherboard. So the system consists of the power supply. I'm using the power supply that can provide 1200 watt of power. You need such a power supply since you eventually want to supply power for at least 4 GPUs. And when we talk about GPUs, I'm having 2 GPUs. The first one is the G4 GTX 1660 Ti. And the second one is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060. The system is equipped with 16 GB of RAM and with the 10th generation Intel i9 processor. The components are supported and mounted on the Asus motherboard. This motherboard can support 128 GB of RAM. And what is also nice, this motherboard can support up to 6 GPUs. So you can mount 6 GPUs on this motherboard. I'm using the Kingston SSD drive with a capacity of 500 gigabytes. And in addition, since this motherboard does not contain an internal wireless adapter, I had to attach an adapter, a wireless adapter that you can see over here. Since I want to develop a low-cost solution, I have mounted the system on a low-cost rack that costs $30 in Home Depot. It's not difficult to connect all the components. I have connected everything in maybe 2 hours, installed the operating system, and installed the mining software. So I'm getting for this card 31 hash rate, and for this one 41. So that's in total around 70 hash rate, or the current profitability is around $7 a day.